Good day, sir. I'm Carlo Parisin. This is my docking explanations, docking techniques. There are several docking techniques used in maritime operations depending on the type of vessel and port conditions. Bow-in docking is when a vessel approaches the dock with its bow first, making it easier to control during entry but harder to leave since it must reverse. Stern-in docking is the opposite, with the stern facing the dock. This allows for easier departure but requires skill. Reversing side to docking or alongside docking involves the vessel coming parallel to the dock, making loading, unloading, and passenger transfers convenient. And Mediterranean mooring, the ship's stern is secured to the dock while the bow is held by an anchor offshore, maximizing space in crowded ports. Single point mooring (SPM), on the other hand, is used offshore where a vessel moors to buoy inside of a pier common for tankers loading or unloading fuel. Finally, dry docking involves placing the ship in a dry dock where the water is drained out so maintenance and repairs can be done on the underwater parts of the hull. That's all. Thank you.